Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can adjust your headlight sensitivity on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So basically guys, in order to be able to do that, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is go here on the left side of your steering wheel. You're going to find all of these buttons right here. I'm going to give you guys a closer look. And as you can see guys, depending on which model of the Corolla you have, you're gonna have different options right here. And as you can see guys, here in the left, you're going to find the headlight sensitivity. So all you need to do guys is scroll this wheel like this. So once you turn the wheel down, you will increase your sensitivity. There is 5 levels. And once you turn it or you move it up, it's going to be decreased. There's also this option right here. If you want to set it on automatic mode, just give it a click and then it will light up yellow right here. And if you want to not keep it on automatic mode, just give it a click again and then it will be disabled. So this was it guys for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and see you guys in the next video.